Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to battle with your friends on the Marvel Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marvel Snap game on your device. And if this is the first time that you are playing the game, you will need to complete the basic tutorial levels. Once you have completed these levels, you will gain access to the main page, from which you will still need to complete a few more levels and advance within the Season Pass in order to upgrade more game modes. You can tap on the joystick icon at the right side of the main menu and this will take you into the game modes page. Now, once you have completed enough levels, you will unlock Friendly Battle. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can either create or join a match. If you wish to host a match, you can tap on Create and then tap on the Create option, and this will begin creating your match, and a code will be generated which you can share with your friends, and they will be able to join your match by simply using your code. You can also tap on the join option at the right side and you will be able to enter a code that has been given to you from your friend. Just type in the code within the code box, and after typing it in, you can tap on the join option and you will immediately join the match with your friend. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to play the Marvel Snap game with your friends. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.